The NDA has secured a third consecutive term. This is the onset of Modi 3.0. Prime Minister Modi will take oath as the Prime Minister for a third consecutive term along with a new cabinet. Preparations have begun at Rashtrapati Bhavan for the oath-taking ceremony already. Prime Minister Modi earlier met President Draupadi Murmu and tendered in his resignation as Prime Minister along with his Union Council of Ministers. He will now be the caretaker Prime Minister until he takes oath again as Prime Minister on the night of June 8. At the BJP headquarters on Tuesday, Prime Minister Modi said that the people have shown faith in NDA and BJP, calling the third term a win for democracy and the Constitution of India. Prime Minister lauded Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar and TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu for leading the NDA to a historic win, both in Andhra Pradesh and, of course, in Bihar as well, where the NDA is in power. Now, the PM said this mandate has shown the mirror to anti-India forces and slammed the opposition, saying united, the India alliance could not secure a tally as much as the BJP on its own. The BJP has secured 240 seats of the 291 tally of the National Democratic Alliance. 13 parties of the India alliance have a tally of 232 seats.
हम सभी जनता जनार्दन के बहुत आभारी हैं। देशवासियों ने भाजपा पर, एनडीए पर पूर्ण विश्वास जताया है। आज की ये विजय दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र की जीत है। हमारे विरोधी एकजुट होकर भी उतनी सीटें नहीं जीत पाए जितनी इस लोकसभा चुनाव में अकेली बीजेपी ने जीती है। करप्शन के खिलाफ लड़ाई दिनों दिन कठिन हो रही है। राजनीतिक स्वार्थ के लिए जब करप्शन का महिमा मंडन शुरू हो जाए और इसमें निर्लज्जता की सारी हदें पार हो जाए, तब करप्शन को बहुत ताकत मिल जाती है। इसलिए तीसरे कार्यकाल में एनडीए सरकार का बहुत ज्यादा जोर हर तरह के करप्शन को जड़ से उखाड़ फेंकने का होगा।
My colleague Piyush Mishra is now joining us for more on this. Piyush, the NDA all set to form government again. The BJP may have fallen short of the halfway mark, but with its allies that is confident of bringing on board, the Prime Minister has already decided and has moved in that direction in terms of wanting to stake claim to government. Sources already saying that he will be swearing in again for a third consecutive term on June 8th.
Well, certainly, and the preparations are going on, Paulami. Remember that PM Narendra Modi today also chaired a cabinet meet, and that was the last cabinet meeting of Modi 2.0. And after chairing that meet, he went to the president's house where he tendered his resignation. And now, once again, he will be taking oath on June 8. Before that, NDA meeting will also take place, which is also to begin in few minutes from now. All the NDA allies have come to Delhi, be it about Nitish Kumar, Chandrababu Naidu, Chirag Paswan, Jitana Manji. They all are in Delhi, and we can also see a crucial meeting to take place at PM Modi's residence, where the discussion government formation will take place. And after this, we are expecting that the NDA will move ahead and will propose to form the government. At the same time, India Alliance is also holding meeting. Even they are looking into all the permutations and combinations as to how they can stop BJP to again form the government. But BJP has the numbers in its kitty. At the same, and it is also being supported by its allies, and NDA has the numbers, which is certainly telling us that PM Narendra Modi will once again take oath. What we are also learning is that Chandrababu Naidu has sought various portfolios, important portfolios like Finance Ministry, Health, Education. Also, his party has sought Lok Sabha Speaker's post. Nitish Kumar is most likely going to seek 3 ministries. So there are demands that are now coming in from the allies. We can expect BJP to accommodate that, and the formation of government is most likely to take place on June 8.